just arrived to Antioch Speedway. Gotta find a pit spot. The pit's already filling up here pretty quick. So every time we come here, it's a new spot. So now we're parking in Timbuktu. But at least when we come off the pits, we got straight to our pit area. I don't know, just trying to make the best of it. All right, we are all unloaded. Car is, for this late in the season, in pretty good shape. Knock on wood, I said it, so that counts. But we got the thing all waxed up, nice and shiny. Racetrack's right there. Should be a good night. Should we have a pretty full field of cars? I'm hoping between about 10 and 15 cars. It is a points night. We have a 15-point lead on the 96M, Matt McKelly. So whole goal tonight is finish ahead of that guy. Right? And he's been racing for 30, 40 years or something like that. So he's hard to beat, but we've been fast as well. So we're going to give everything we got, and we'll take a look at the track here in a sec. They're putting the water to it. I hope they put more than usual, because I would love to see this place stay tacky. Ooh, that feels good. All in all, that track looks pretty good. They did run 3 divisions last night, so track looks good. All right, I'm gonna give you guys one more perspective of the track. We've been here a bunch of times, but this is our staging area. Nice and shady right now, but when it's time for hot laps, the sun will be about right there. Will absolutely bake us. It's even turned my GoPro off one time because it overheated. All right, and we continue to walk on and walk. As you can see, we can't really see what's going on with the track when we're sitting in our cars. We're completely blind to all that. And there's the intro, or entrance. So, still watering the track, good for him. I appreciate the extra effort. So, let's keep this place tacky. Been here 2 races, and this place has been dry slick almost every time we've been here. So, it's been just kind of rolling the bottom, not very racy, but 6 divisions tonight. I don't know if there's gonna be a whole lot of cars for all the divisions. They got like the mini stock, sport mods, wingless sprints, but the World of Outlaws are up at Placerville tonight, so I don't know how many of those wingless guys might just go and watch. Outlaws haven't been to Placerville in a couple years because of fires and stuff like that, so we'd be there if we weren't racing today, but we are in point race, so we're here. All right, just walking back to the trailer now, and we'll just sit and wait for the night to start. Everything's unloaded, ready to go. And yeah, if it's the first time you've seen this channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button, liking the video, and stay tuned. Done in from doing packing the track, and oh my god, the car had probably 400 pounds of mud, so we got that off. We'll be rolling off here for hot laps soon. just came in for hot laps. We were third quick out of the 10 cars that participated in that, but hot laps doesn't pay anything, and just kind of hit my groove. And then I had a really good lap, 1 and 2, nailed it, but the checker flag was already out, so I had to slow down. But, we'll take it. Car feels good. We got to get the mud back off the car for the second time, and heat race should be coming up here probably with about an hour, where we run second to last all night. So stay tuned.
the car is done for the night. Loading up. All right, so that'll do it for the night. We're not making the main event. Lost the points lead. We fell back to third now on the points. We don't really have a backup motor. Well, I guess we do. We have another motor we ran 2 years ago. So we got 2 races left. We're gonna throw that in the as they're coming off the track. They're gonna throw. We're gonna throw that in for Marysville that we don't race for like a month, and then try to figure out what we're gonna do for next year. So anyway, I'll show some content of the racing here. And anyway, kind of a disappointing night, real bummer, but it is what it is.